Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I could not finish all those calls on Monday maintenance day. There's truly hundreds. So I'm going to do a few more of them today, some more repairs. Stopped here at Lowe's just to grab a few fittings, mostly the 1.5" no hubs. We use those quite frequently. I'm going to post the video from Ed. I got that video from him. This is for the walk for homeless veterans. And I'm a veteran, he's a veteran. Several employees are veterans, and perhaps you're a veteran too. Really, if you'd like to support this fund, these guys have given all to our country, and it would be nice to give something back to them as well. So link in the description box below, and take a look at the video. Also, don't forget about live group help this Saturday, July 3rd. This is the 4th of July weekend, 8 a.m. Absolutely free. We use Zoom. You can just come and click the link below, bring you right into the waiting room, and then we admit people and go from there.
All right, welcome back. Dr. Drains with Apple Drains of North Carolina and Island Breeze of North Carolina. So what we're going to do, we've always kind of had a soft spot in our heart for the veterans. I'm a 4th generation combat veteran myself. My wife, she's got a string of vets in her house, including her father, who was a Vietnam 30-year Marine Corps, that kind of thing. So we're real serious. We don't usually publish these things. We do lots of stuff all through the year. We do it behind the scenes. We're not interested in the PR. We do it because it's the right thing to do. This is going to be one of our only publicized things we're going to do. So what we're going to do is a walkathon. We're going to do a walkathon for homeless veterans. We've saddled up with Paddle for Troops, Apple Drains. That's North Carolina, Charlotte, and Florida. Chuck's crew down there in Miami and Orlando. And also Island Breeze here in the Raleigh, Durham, Mebane, Wilmington, Jacksonville, North Carolina area. So we're going to start from our corporate headquarters, and I'm personally going to walk the entire distance. Am I going to do it all at one time? Come on, you guys see this figure. No way. I'm going to do it about 12 to 15 miles a day. Then we'll start the next day, but it's going to be a continuous walk. Employees, friends, family will join me on certain times. If you see me with this flag, you're welcome to walk with me. On the site, right down below, there's going to be a GoFundMe, and we also have flyers that we're going to hand out. If you're customers, we prefer you not give us any money. The money on the GoFundMe is a charity site. We never touch it. We don't see it. It goes into a pool, and then when I complete the walk, it's going to take about 2 weeks. When I complete the walk, we're going to present a check from the GoFundMe to Paddle for Troops at their annual fundraising event. So it goes directly to the troops. Again, we don't touch the money at all. The GoFundMe is where we want you to go fund it. So we don't have any issues with us taking the money or touching it, or I want it to go straight to the homeless veterans. So all veterans, yeah, even the Coast Guard. My office manager is a Coast Guard vet. Coast Guard, Air Force, Navy, and Army. Oh yeah, the Marines. Down there in Camp Lejeune, we'll be really close to you down there in Topsail. So we just want to make sure that we take care of all these guys. All right. So as a country, as a company, if we're not taking care of our homeless veterans, who the hell are we? So open up your wallets, go to GoFundMe. Give $5, $10, $20, $100. If you got the cash, drop $1,000. You're not going to get any special plaque or a piece of paper, but you're going to feel it right here. So 100% homeless veterans, to house them, to train them, to feed them, to get them back on their feet. Just give them a little help. They sacrifice, they put themselves out there for us. It's the very least we can do. Let's do that. All right, let's go. Let's do it.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.